very good morning to everyone and Dr. Abu Ubaida. We are Power System student from section 3. We are going to present about hydropower source. And here are our group members. Myself, Sri Shakti Sheelan, and Yamuna, Jnana, Manigandan, Arvind.
Good morning everyone, I'm Yamuna. I'm going to present about introduction of hydropower. Hydropower or water power is a power derived from the energy of falling water or fast running water. Hydropower mechanics of water miles has been used as a renewable energy source for irrigation and the operation of various mechanical devices such as sawmills, textiles mills, trips hammer, dog kennels. Then a trumpet which produce compressed air, falling water is sometimes used to power other machinery and at a distance. Hydropower becomes a source for generating electricity. Okay, there are few types of hydropower. Hydropower is used primarily to generate electricity. Broad categories include conventional hydroelectric, run-of-the-river hydroelectric, small hydro project 10 megawatts, micro hydro project provides a few kilowatts, conducting hydroelectric projects utilize water which has already been derived for use. Then pump storage hydroelectricity store water pump, and then the pressure buffering hydropower use nature source. Okay, this is a hydroelectrical dam. A conventional damped hydro facility is the most common type of hydroelectrical power generation. Okay, then this is about the water cycle. Understanding the water cycle is important to understanding hydropower. The steps are solar energy heats water on the surface of the rivers, lakes and oceans, which causes the water to evaporate. Water vapor condense into clouds and fall as a perceptions as a rain and snow. And then perceptions collects in streams and rivers which empty into oceans and lakes where it evaporates and begins the cycle.
A very good morning to my lecturer, Dr. Abu Ubaida and my fellow friends. My name is Nyanlachmi Vijay. This figure show about parts of a hydroelectric plant. Parts of hydroelectric plant can divide to dam, turbine, surveyor, transmission line and generator. Dam raises river level, turbine turned by the force of falling water, reservoirs store waters. Generator turned by the turbine and transmission line carry electricity to home and business. How much hydroelectric plant can make electricity? How far the water falls? The farther the water falls, the more power it has. Amount of water falling, more water falling through the turbine will produce more power. There are three main types of hydroelectric plants. Impoundment facility, pump storage facility, run-of-river facility.
Good. Very good morning to our power system lecturer Dr. Abu Ubaida and fellow friends. Myself is Manigandan. Today I like to explain about hydropower in Malaysia. Major hydropower plants in Malaysia are those belonging to DNB, which are namely as Kenyir Sultan Mahmud Power Station, Pergau Hydro Station Power, the Mongol Hydroelectric Power Plant, which each of all hydropower plants consists of different installed capacity. Next, electricity generated by a hydroelectric power plant depends on two factors. First, flow rate. The quantity of water flowing is in a given time, which is the more quantity of water flows through turbine, the more power is produced. Secondly, height. The height from which the water falls, which is the power production is also directly proportional to the height. Okay, next. types of hydropower facilities. There are two primary types of hydropower facilities which are important system, also known as dam, and another one is run of the river system. Let's see the photo. So this is about the important system. The important system consists of few parts which are transmission lines, dam, penstock, generators and turbines. And also as a cross section as below here. This illustration shows that a part of a standard hydroelectric dam. Next, the second facility which is run of the river. This illustrates a diagram of the run of the river. A run of the river system uses the river's natural flow and it requires no important system, and it may involve a diversion of a portion of the stream through the canal. This is the canal or a penstock. Okay, good morning. My name is Arvi Nagaraju. Okay, today I want to explain about the construction of the generation plant. Okay, this is the picture of the hydropower plant. Okay, this consists of reservoir, dam, generator, transformer, power house, and power lines. Okay, intake gates on the dam open and gravity pulls the water through the penstock. Okay. Second, turbine. The water strikes and turns the large blades of the turbine, which is attached to the generator above it of the shaft. Okay, dam. Most hydropower plants rely on the dam that holds the back water. Okay, outflow. Used water is carried through pipelines and called tail race. This one is tail race. Okay. Generator. As the turbine blades turn, so do the series of magnet inside of the generator. Giant magnet rotate past copper coils. Okay, power lines. Out of every power plant comes of 4 wires, the 3 phase of power being produced simultaneously. Okay, transformer. The transformer inside the powerhouse takes AC and converts into high voltage current. Low head plants. Small dam is built across the river to provide the necessary head. Okay, this is the pictures of the low head plants. Okay, this is head race, dam, and the powerhouse tail race. Okay, medium head plants. Okay, in this plant mainly water is carried through main reservoir to force bay then to penstock. This is the medium head plants. Okay, water from main reservoir, head race, force bay, penstock, powerhouse, and tail race. Okay, high head plants. Okay, mostly this plant pressure tunnel is provided before the surge stand, which in turn connect to penstock. Okay, normally the height of the head plants are 500 meter above, and above head 500 Pelton beam are used. Okay, this is the picture of the high head plant, reservoir, dam, tunnel, surge stand, penstock, powerhouse, and tail race. Okay.
Very good morning to everyone. I am Dr. Abu Ubaida. I am going to present about environmental impact. So there are many benefits of environmental impact. First of all, environmental benefits of hydro. Next, saving of coal, oil and gas. And lastly, non-environmental benefits are, for example, flood control, irrigation, transportation, fisheries and tourism. Nextly, I am going to explain about disadvantage of environmental impact. First of all, the loss of land under the reservoir. Next, the problem also associated with the reservoir. For example, climate and climatic effects, impacts on aquatic system, flora and fauna. There are also loss of land. A large area is taken up in the form of reservoir in case of large dams. Therefore, I also gonna present about economy of hydropower. There are 3 economy of hydropower. First of all, global and local HPA economics, construction costs and production costs. From our presentation, we have concluded that hydropower is one of the most valuable resource, and hydropower make use of this renewable treasure. Therefore, hydropower plants produce about 24%.
Ini merupakan prototype empangan iaitu bagaimanakah hydroelectric mengeluarkan energinya.
Okey, kita buat testing untuk pempangan ni berfungsi atau tidak. So kita kena connect dua wire ni dekat turbine. So sekarang dua wire ni sudah connect dengan turbine. Kita test dengan air, macam mana dia supply power.